Do you want to understand and speak English fluently? Welcome to English Clearly, the channel that helps you listen better, speak clearly, and think in English. Before we start, I have a special promise for you. If you help this channel reach 1,000 subscribers, 1K, before the end of April, I promise to give you free English courses and free PDF books that will improve your English understanding and speaking skills step by step. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let's grow together. 300 Sentences English Shadowing Practice, A1-C2, Part 1. This is not just a normal listening video. This is a complete English training system designed to transform your English from beginner to advanced level. This series has 3 powerful parts. Part 1, 100 easy sentences, beginner level. Part 2, 100 normal sentences, intermediate level. Part 3, 100 difficult sentences, advanced level. Today, you're watching Part 1, 100 easy sentences. If you repeat these sentences again and again using the shadowing method, your brain will start thinking in English naturally. Your pronunciation will improve, your listening skills will grow, your confidence will become stronger. The secret is simple. Listen carefully, repeat immediately, practice every day. If you stay until the end of this video, you will already feel the difference in your English. Remember, repetition builds understanding. Practice builds confidence. Consistency builds fluency. Welcome to your English transformation journey with English Clearly. Let's begin. Part 1, 100 Easy Sentences. Welcome to English Clearly. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak clearly. Let's begin. Sentence 3. I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. Again. I eat breakfast. This is a daily routine sentence. We use it when we talk about morning habits. Question. Do you eat breakfast every day? Type yes or no. Sentence 4. I like music. Repeat after me. I like music. Again. I like music. We use this sentence to talk about things we enjoy. Question. What kind of music do you like?
The school is near my house. Is your school near or far from your home? Quick quiz. Choose the correct sentence. A. She live near me. B. She lives near me. Write A or B in the comments. Are you ready to continue to sentence 6? Type ready. Subscribe to English Clearly and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part. Let's continue. Sentence 6. I read a book. Repeat after me. I read a book. Again, I read a book. Question. Do you read books? Sentence 7. I have a pen. Repeat after me. I have a pen. Again, I have a pen. Question. What color is your pen? Sentence 8. They are my friends. Repeat after me. They are my friends. Again, they are my friends. Question. How many friends do you have? Sentence 9. We play every day. Repeat after me. We play every day. Again, we play every day. Question. What do you play? He works hard. Repeat after me. He works hard. Again. He works hard. Question. Do you work hard? Word focus. Work. Say it. Work. Again. Work. Meaning in English. Work means doing a job or activity. Example: I work every day. Question: where do you work or study? Quick quiz for sentences 6 through 10. Choose the correct sentence. A. He work hard. B. He works hard. Write A or B in the comments. Are you ready for sentences 11 through 15? Type ready. Subscribe to English Clearly and turn on notifications so you never miss the next lesson. Let's continue. Now here is a big mistake learners make. They stop speaking when they forget a word. They panic. They become silent. But fluent speakers do not stop. They keep going. So today, you will learn the most powerful fluency rule. Never stop speaking. Even if you repeat words, even if you make mistakes, keep going. That is how you build flow. Now, I want to give you the strongest fluency training exercise. This is the exercise that makes your brain fast. It is called 30-second no-stop speaking. Here's how it works. You choose one topic and you speak for 30 seconds without stopping. No silence, no translation, no fear, just flow. Ready? Your topic is why I want to improve my English. Start speaking now. Go. Great. Now listen carefully. If you couldn't speak smoothly, that's okay. That means you need more training, and this video is your training. She speaks English. Repeat after me. She speaks English. Again, she speaks English. Question: do you speak English every day? Word focus. Need. Say it. Need. Again, need. Meaning in English. Need means something is necessary. Example: I need water. Question: what do you need right now? Quick quiz. Sentences 11 through 15. Choose the correct sentence. A. She speak English. B. She speaks English. Write A or B in the comments. Are you ready for sentences 16 through 20? Type ready. Subscribe to English Clearly and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Let's continue. I like this movie. I like this movie. I like this movie. What movie do you like? The door is open. The door is open. The door is open. Is your door open or closed? I am very tired. I am very tired. We use this when we feel low energy. Are you tired right now? It is a small house. Repeat after me. It is a small house. Again, it is a small house. Question: is your house big or small? We are ready. Repeat after me. We are ready. Again, we are ready. Question: are you ready to continue? Word focus. Ready. Say it. Ready. Again, ready. Meaning in English, ready means prepared to do something. Example: I am ready for school. Question: when are you usually ready in the morning? Now test yourself. How big is your house? Question: is your house big or small?
Quick quiz. Sentences 16 through 20. Choose the correct sentence. A. We is ready. B. We are ready. Write A or B in the comments. Are you ready for sentences 21 through 25? Type ready. Subscribe to English Clearly and turn on notifications so you never miss the next lesson. Let's keep going.